Okay, let's go. Is it you? Shit. Oh, come on. Oh, bingo. Seriously? Oh. Oh, no.
Mama, what's happening?
Honey, I'm sorry.
Mom, what did you do?
It's just the smoke detectors.
Oh my God, Mom! I'm scared.
It's okay.
Mom, call Dad right now.
No!
What's going on?
Who are all those people in there?
Who cares? Are we gonna die right now? You idiot! It's just a freaking smoke detector.
Shut up! Everybody stop! I am so sorry.
My God, this is so embarrassing.
Shut up, Max! Mom